Hi guys, so today magluluto kami.
We're gonna open the picture.
Magluluto ka na. Ako yung mama
Avocados.
mo. Ako yung mama mo. Magluto ka na dyan.
Wait lang, hindi pa ready. Ito kang OA.
Mama mo. Ganyan-ganyan muna ako ha.
Mama, ma-blue. Everything's alright. D&D no slowing in the Philippines. The only show fated is that the we always have to say it. I wanted you like the air. Oh! Grabe ka. Wala kang siya.
Uwi ko muna to, be.
Huwag mo muna. Yeah. Everything's alright. Because I'm going to pick it the slipper. Slipper, right. Slipper. Wake up the morning. Is everything alright? Avocado. Do you want, who's the one avocado? I'm gonna eat this avocado. No, that's dangerous. This is, you can eat this.
It's chaotic. Chaotic.
I have to give it. My mommy, it's lady to give it us.
Hey guys, so ito,
In front to me.
ito,
It's front to me.
ito yun guys, ang namin dito.
You always deny me.
Hindi kami
everything
mayaman.
Alright. Para saan ba to?
Pampaputi yan, be.
Pampaputitaw to. Ng kilikili mo.
No. At may fake nails rin.
I'm gonna open.
Guys, see you in part 2. Makakat to eh. Makakat to guys, so wait till.
Gosh.
Fake nails ng
Kumuha
mama
na ako
ko.
ng ano guys.
Ito, accessories to. So, see you in the next cut. Kasi makakat to guys.
Tignan natin guys kung totoo talaga maputi.